X squared plus x cubed equal to 12. We want to solve this problem. At first, it is degree is 3. We want to try one answer. X0 doesn't work. -1 doesn't work. 2. If x is 2, it will be 2 squared plus 2 cubed, which is 4 plus 8 equal to 12. Okay, we found one answer, and that's great. Why? Because here, we take all things to left-hand side. At first, I write x cubed plus then x squared, 12. In left-hand side will be -12 equal to 0. Now, here I want to factorize because x to satisfy this equation. So x2 is 1 root. So one factor is x minus 2. Let's find second factor. I want to create x cubed, so I place x squared here. Now I have x cubed minus 2x squared. I have plus x squared, so I place 3x. So I have 3x squared minus 6x. So this part is x squared. We created this. Now, next one, it's -6x. We don't have x here. So I place plus 6 to have plus 6x minus 12. Cancel. So minus 12, we have this. So it will be left-hand side in this equation equal to 0. Now, we have two parts. Product is 0, so it is 0, or this part is 0. If it is 0, so we can say x minus 2 equal to 0. So we take -2 to right-hand side, x equal to 2, one answer. If it is 0, so x squared plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. For this part, I can say two answers that it doesn't have any answer. First solution for this part is that we have an identity. It's so much useful. A plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So because I want to reach something like this, I have x squared plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Now, if I want to use this, I can say x plus 3 over 2 squared. Why? Because always say x squared and divide the coefficient here 3 over 2. Because by this identity, it will be x squared plus 2 times x times this. 2 will be cancelled. Let me write 2x 3 over 2 plus b squared plus 3 over 2 squared. Now, I will see what here. It will be x squared. These two will be cancelled. Plus 3x plus 3 over 2 squared, 9 over 4. This part is exactly this part. So we conclude it is x squared plus here 3x plus 9 over 4. But here we have 6 plus 6 minus 9 over 4. 9 over 4 cancel. It is exactly this. But this part is what? By here, we can say it's x plus 3 over 2 squared. 6 minus 1 over 4 is 24 minus 9, which is 16 over 4. So it was first solution for this part. Let me tell you second solution, which is easier. This one, we use quadratic formula. It's so much easier and straightforward. This, as we, in the formula of this, we define discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. It has to be greater than equal 0. The quadratic formula, having real answers. So here our equation is what? X squared plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. So by considering this, the coefficient a for x squared is 1, b coefficient of x is 3, and c here constant term is 6. So discriminant here is what? B squared, 3 squared minus 4, 1, 8, 6. It is 9 minus 24 is -15. Now, here it's what? -15 is 0, so we don't have any answer. Is solution number 1 also? You can say it is at least 0, so it will be at least 15 over 4. So it cannot be 0. 0, we concluded. 0 is at least 15 over 4. So solution number 1 is a little tricky. Solution number 2 is so much straightforward. Only calculate discriminant and you will see, okay, it's negative In each problem, there are lots of ideas, and in each problem, we want to analyze different solution, how to approach a problem. So please subscribe and turn on the bell and like the video to have next videos. Learn how to analyze an algebraic problem or any problems you want. Thank you.